Study is to test as pack is to... With an analogy question like this one, our first step will be to try and understand the relationship between the given words, in this case, study and test. Here we can say that the connection is that studying is an action done in preparation for a test. As our given word is pack, let's try and find a word for which packing would be appropriate preparation. With this in mind, let's take a look at our choices. A. Package. Although you do pack a package, you are not packing for the package, the way one studies for a test. You are simply packing the package itself. As this choice doesn't line up with our given example, we can mark it as incorrect. B. Potatoes. While you can have a pack of potatoes, we're focusing on the verb pack, not the noun. And as potatoes isn't an event or activity which packing is done in preparation for, we can mark this choice off. C. Suitcase. Although it's true that you can pack in a suitcase, again, you're not packing for the suitcase. With analogy questions, we strive to find the most accurate match. As the structure we're looking for is A is done in preparation for B, and pack and suitcase doesn't fit this structure, this choice can be marked as incorrect. D. Unpack. An argument could be made that technically packing is an activity one does in preparation for unpacking. Although it's not a perfect match, we'll keep an eye on it as we look at our other choices. E. Vacation. This seems to fit into our structure quite nicely. Studying is an action done in preparation for a test, and packing is an action done in preparation for a vacation. Because this choice fits better than choice D, we can mark choice D as incorrect and keep an eye on this choice as we check out choice F. F. Exam. If anything, this word fits the original example of study is to test. Another option could have been study is to exam. However, it doesn't fit in with our example of pack. Based on this, we can mark this choice as incorrect and mark choice E, vacation, as our final answer.